episode. Today's episode is about this little Herald 125 here. Now, this is Joe's Herald, obviously. She's not here to actually present or open up this video today, so I'm doing it. But this is it. It's obviously on some bricks. It doesn't have the wheels on it because we've taken the wheels off to put some new tyres on. Now, if you might remember the old tyres, they were boring. They weren't field suitable. So this bike is going to be Joe's little play around at the Mali Mile. Getting it all ready at the moment, front mudguard and all those, but more importantly, she needs to be able to ride on dirt with it and have some fun. And this is what we've got. These are some Bridgestone AX41s. Some twin Deros, which are a lot chunkier than what she had on it before. Now, of course, fitting in with the new aesthetic, the colours and everything that we've got on the bike, which you may have seen in one of the previous episodes where we were spray painting it. These wheels, a little bit boring. Obviously, they're chrome, don't really fit in with the rest of the aesthetic of the bike. It's not mean enough. Basically, we're going for mean girly. We've got the coral and also the pearl white, but we need it to be mean as well. Mean girly, especially with the sound that it makes and also the backfiring. So, this is where these tyres come in, but also we need to make the wheels a lot meaner themselves. So what I'll obviously be doing today is spray painting them. I'm not going to go to the effort of powder coating and black spokes and all that. I mean, I could put new rims, new spokes on. This is on a budget, so by no means this is the right way to do it. It's what you want to do if you're on a budget. This bike is all on a budget. As you've seen, I haven't stripped it down or anything. I haven't powder coated the frame. It's just done to a good standard, but on a cheap standard as well. So this is what we're doing. Some etch primer on the chrome and then painting it black. Okay, so out in the sun right now, but I've cleaned all of the rim, put obviously a bit of masking around the side, masking tape around the rims, and then basically bin line around the side, just so I'm not getting tyres really, because they're brand new tyres. We're just going to use some etch primer now on that, quick blast round, then a couple of more blasts, and see where we get to.